Hi, my name's Jesse Merandy, and I'm the director of the Digital Media Lab at Bard Graduate Center. Today I want to share with you my charango. I bought this charango in 2007 in Arequipa in Peru. I went to the luthier shop and met the two gentlemen who made this instrument. The back of the charango is made out of a rich mahogany. Traditionally, the back of the charango was made out of the shell of an armadillo, but today the more modern instruments are all made out of wood. The front is made out of a pine and the fretboard is made out of a rosewood. It has 10 strings, and this is what it sounds like.